Here we have a Tree VMC1050 CNC machine. We got it hooked up to 220 volts, 3-phase power, and we're gonna show you what it does. Before we do that, we'll just show you some of the parts that come with it. It's got a extra screw here. It's got some adjustable feet, and it's got a whole box of the tool holders. Okay, this is the control panel here. It's got the screen. Not sure if you can see it, but it is turned on there. Okay, down there are the pans. That's one pan, that's for the coolant. We don't have any fluid in there right now, so that's not something that we can show you today. But it's got the other pan with the motor. We did get that motor to run, but we didn't get it by the controls. We got it by pressing one of the contactors inside. Okay, this is one of your control boxes. Okay, we hit one of these contactors here to turn on the coolant pump, and then this is your other control box. Here's your ID plate. Then we also have an air connection there, as well as electrical connection. Here's your start switch. I already have it powered on. And Doug's going to show us here some of the controls here. So let's go ahead and bring that closer. Okay. So he's going to hit a few buttons here, and so right now we're getting side-to-side action here. We're going, travel's going side to side. Okay, now we're going front to back. Now we're going up and down. And it's got a few other buttons right here for the tool changer. So okay, so we got all the travels working and the tool changer moving. We didn't get the spindle to spin. That's one thing we couldn't get. Okay, so this is a Tree VMC1050 CNC machine. Not sure if you can see that, but the screen is got a few letters in there. That's hard to see.